Although grey hair is characteristic of old age, the truth is that colorless hair strands can appear at any age. Grey hair can even appear while you are still in college, but you must always remember it doesn't happen overnight. प्रीमेच्योर हेयर ग्रेइंग के कई रीजंस हो सकते हैं. हाय, मैं हूं डॉक्टर सुष्मिता. आई एम अ डर्मैट बाय प्रोफेशन एंड आई एम हियर टू आंसर द मोस्ट कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस अबाउट अर्ली हेयर ग्रेइंग. It is believed that if you get grey hair early on in your life, it possibly runs in your family. Your parents or grandparents might have had grey hair when they were young. But if that's not the case, then maybe it's time to revisit the way you are eating, sleeping and exercising. आपका lifestyle बहुत हद तक determine करेगा whether your hair will be healthy or not. इसमें कई environmental and nutritional factors involved होते हैं, जैसे unbalanced diet, आपके stress levels, how much you drink or smoke. इन फैक्टर्स की वजह से सबसे ज़्यादा अर्ली हेयर ग्रेइंग देखी जाती है. Hair color does make your hair lifeless and more prone to damage and loss. It doesn't trigger your hair to prematurely gray. In fact, the pigment melanin जिससे grey hair आते हैं, it's not at all affected by the color or dye you're using for your hair. However, choosing ammonia-free hair dye colors are the best thing to do, as they cause the least breakage and you can dye your hair without worrying. If your hair is graying prematurely, as in your 20s, you can blame genetics to some extent but not entirely. And yes, premature graying is reversible at times. हम change in hair color तब देखते हैं जब हम कोई deficiency जैसे विटामिन या autoimmune diseases experience कर रहे हो, क्योंकि ऐसे conditions में हमारे hair melanin lose करने लगते हैं. In order to reverse it, we should try supplements or medications for any autoimmune diseases, but primarily introduce protein and niacin-rich foods in our diet जैसे dairy, meat, fish, whole grains, nuts, seeds and leafy greens to overcome any deficiencies. किसी भी हेल्थ इशू का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सोल्यूशन है गुड डाइट एंड न्यूट्रिशन. एंड इवन फॉर प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग कुछ डाइट फिक्सेस काफ़ी हेल्प कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि देर आर सम फूड्स दैट आर पर्टिकुलरली हेल्पफुल इन रिकवरिंग योर ब्लैक हेयर एंड एडिंग लस्टर. Add protein-rich foods such as potatoes, cashews, almonds, chickpeas and mushrooms. You can also add nuts or seeds जो कि काफ़ी important nutrition source हैं because they contain large amounts of copper जो कि melanin synthesis stimulate करता है और hair pigmentation increase करता है. You should also add vitamin B rich foods such as paneer, curd, carrots, banana or any vegetable juice of your choice because that will naturally reduce graying. ग्रे हेयर को रिवर्स करने के कई नेचुरल रेमेडीज हैं जिनके कंसिस्टेंट एप्लीकेशन से आप विजिबल रिजल्ट्स देखते हैं, जैसे आंवला एंड कोकोनट ऑयल. इसमें प्रेजेंट एंटी एजिंग और एंटी बैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टीज काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होती हैं फॉर आवर हेयर. आंवला के एंटी एजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज पिगमेंटेशन रिवर्स करने में हेल्प करते हैं, सो योर हेयर कैन ग्रो डार्क अगेन. You should use this once every 2 weeks. Coffee and black tea mix. ये सिर्फ premature hair grays को ही fight नहीं करता. They also improve hair elasticity to make your hair smooth and shiny. You should brush your hair with this concoction every day before bath. Yogurt. It can protect your hair from all its foes. The proteins present in it will help delay the appearance of gray hair and strengthen follicles to keep them healthy. We hope this video was helpful. For more such content, stay tuned to this space and make sure to subscribe to this channel.